There is a gentle wisdom that grows when you stop doubting every step you take. You know, it does not arrive loudly, and it does not announce itself with confidence or pride. It appears quietly, like calm water after the storm. Remind you that you have survived many moments you once thought you could not. From a young age, many of us learn to look outside ourselves for direction. We seek approval, reassurance, and certainty from others, believing they know better. Over time, this habit teaches us to mistrust our own feelings and instincts. Yet, deep within you, there is a quiet knowing that has always been present, waiting patiently for your attention. Trusting yourself does not mean you will never make mistakes. It means you are willing to learn without harsh judgment. It means you understand that growth comes not from perfection, but from honesty and compassion toward your own experience. You know, when you allow yourself to be human, wisdom has room to grow. There are days when your path feels unclear and your heart feels unsure. In those moments, pause instead of panicking. You know, stillness often reveals what force cannot. When you listen carefully, you may notice that your body and heart already know what they need: rest, space, courage, or kindness. Self-trust grows through small, gentle acts. It grows when you honor your limits, when you say no without guilt, and when you allow yourself to move at a pace that feels right. Each time you respect yourself, you strengthen an inner foundation that cannot be shaken by the opinions of others. Fear often whispers that you are not ready, are not capable. But fear speaks from the past, not from the present moment. When you return to now, this breath, this step, you realize that Steadiness is not something you wait for. It is something you practice by showing up as you are. You do not need to compare yourself, your journey, with anyone else. You know, every life unfolds in its own rhythm, guided by lesson only it can teach. When you stop measuring yourself against others, you free your energy to grow in ways that are natural and sustainable. As you continue your day, remind yourself gently you are allowed to trust your own process. You are allowed to learn slowly, and you are allowed to change your mind. My beloved friend, self-trust is not built in a moment. It is built through patience, presence, and self-respect. And when certainty returns, as it often does, place one hand on your heart and take a slow breath. Please remember, you are still here, still learning, still becoming, and that is enough.